This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Warren. This home sits in a natural setting with pecan trees, blooming plants and many native plants that provide food and nectar for wildlife. The home has been very well maintained with a split floor plan. Primary suite has large closet and bathroom with garden tub and separate shower. Wood-burning fireplace has a fan that blows heat out into the primary living space. The parcel has space for gardening and playful social activities. After a day of work, come home and relax in the hot tub under a covered porch. Metal roof was installed in 2007. Windstream services provide 5 grams internet and over 100 channels for $68 per month. Deer, turkey, quail and other wildlife are regular visitors. There is room to build another home while living in the mobile home. For more information, review the details below.